In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can set up a follower on a ticket on Zendesk. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to zendesk.com and log in to your Zendesk account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, go to View and then select one of the tickets that you want to add a follower on. Or, for this video example, I chose to make a new ticket. So, what are followers? Followers are basically agents, admins, or even light agents that would be informed of the ticket's progress. So, how to add them? Simple. You can see right here on the left panel the followers option. So, you can add different emails right here of those that you want to be followers. So, you can type in email. Let's just say this as an example. You can type any email right here. And basically, whenever this ticket progresses, all these followers would see the ticket's progress. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful and want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given on the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.